Hello, I am Akanksha Kaude. My topic is layered architecture in computer networks. What is layered architecture? Layered architecture is we will key models like OSI, TCP, IP, and how to data moves throughout these layers step by step, and finally we examine the real world application and future trends. It is nothing but layered architecture. डीप मध्ये सांगायचं झालं तर what is layered architecture? It is means the layered architecture of the OSM model or TCP/IP model ensure the smooth communication between two compare by breaking down the process smaller manageable tasks. Each layer enter only with the adjacent layer and follow two well-defined set of protocols. It is nothing but a layered architecture. Why layering? The benefits of modular network design. First is simplifies maintenance, second is foster interoperability, and third is enhance scalability. First is simplifies maintenance. It is means the changes in one layer do not affect the others. म्हणजे one layer मध्ये चेंज केलं तरी other layer ला तो affect नाही करणार. And this isolated issue making troubleshooting easier. Has isolated issue making the troubleshooting easier. म्हणजे easier ते आपल्याला इझी करून जातं. म्हणजे की एका लेयर मध्ये जर आपण चेंजेस केलं तर सेकंड लेयरला काहीच होणार नाही. इट इज मीन्स द simplifies maintenance. Second is fosters interoperability. Standardized interface allow diverse system to communicate. म्हणजेच की communicating two layer to communicate each other. Different vendors can build compatible device. म्हणजे की एक चांगलं उत्तम डिव्हाइस ते करणार दोघं म्हणून communication between. And third is enhanced scalability. It is means the new technology can be integrated without redesigning the entire network. The support future growth. It is nothing but enhanced scalability. चला तर आपण पाहूया layered architecture. The OSI model a detailed look at each layer. First is application layer. In center side दोन्ही साइड पाहणार आहोत आपण सेंटर साइड अँड रिसिव्हर साइड. सेंटर साइड टू टॉप टू बॉटम अँड रिसिव्हर साइड टू bottom to top. This model in layered architecture. First is application layer. Application layer is a user interaction. Example HTTP and FTP. This means the application layer to the user sends the data through in application. It is means the emails web browser to ते डेटा ट्रान्सफर केलं जातं आपल्या ईमेलला सेंडिंग द मेसेज ऑफ ईमेल इज नथिंग बट ऑफ ॲप्लिकेशन लेअर. Second is presentation layer. Presentation layer is the data formatting and encryption. It is means the data is formatted and encrypted or compressed. चला नीड आहे आपल्याला कॉम्प्रेस करायची. It is nothing but presentation layer. Third is session layer. Session layer is to manage communication session. It is means the a session is established to manage communication between the session. Each layer to communicated manage to communicate each other. Transport layer. Transport layer is the nothing but of end-to-end data delivery. Example of TCP UDP. It is means the data is segmented assigned to part of number of prepared for reliable delivery in TCP or fast transmission. It is nothing but transport layer. Fifth is network layer. Network layer is the logical addressing and routing. Example IP. Network layer, it means the packet is assigned the IP address and routed to the destination. Routed to the destination. It is nothing but the network layer. Third is the data link layer. Data link layer, it is the error free data transfer between nodes. It is means the MSA address or added, and to check the error it is performed. It is nothing but data link layer. And last is physical layer. Physical layer is a nothing but of a data is converted into signals. Data is converted into signals and transmitted over the network medium. It is means the physical transmission. It is means the example of Wi-Fi, fiber, etc. Same process of receivers, but is the bottom to top, and the center size is the top to bottom. TCP/IP model, the Internet Core Architecture. First is application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network layer. आता की जसं मी सांगितलं application layer is a layer architecture. It combines OSI application, presentation layer and session layer to combine. It is nothing but application layer. HTTP and DNS. Transport layer is a similar to OSI transport layer. जसं की fast transmission होतं त्याच type मध्ये OSI transport layer. Internet layer is equivalent to OSI network layer. Is a IP addressing and routing package. Network layer is a access layer, combines OSI data link and physical layer. It is means the internet, Wi-Fi, hardware space. Data encapsulation and discapsulation. How to data travels? How to data travels? Data कसा आपला जातो? तर first is encapsulation. Encapsulation to data moves down the layer. Each layer add its own header. म्हणजे की data moves down the layer and the each layer is a add own header file add करत जातो, त्यालाच encapsulation म्हणतात. Transmission encapsulated data to travels across the network. That encapsulated data, आपला data हे encapsulated झालेला to add the file, तो data तो transfer होतो तो network कडे. That is nothing but transmission. Discapsulation it is nothing but to data moves up. Encapsulation मध्ये तो down the layer, but it is the moves up the layer, म्हणजे की upper layer ला तो each header तो remove करत जातो, म्हणजे remove करत जातो आणि त्याला discapsulation असं म्हणतात. This process ensure proper delivery. Headers contain curricular control information. Without it, data cannot reach destination. Advantages and disadvantages of layered architecture. First is advantages of modularity. Modularity is a independent and development. The advantage कसा आहे तर इज इंडिपेंडेंट डेव्हलपमेंट आहे तू स्वतः, त्यामुळे आपल्याला हा एक ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहे. बट डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ मॉड्युलरिटीचा, द ओव्हरहेड इज प्रोसेसिंग इज लेंथी. इट इज नथिंग बट डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी टू मॅनेज द लार्ज सिस्टीम, हा म्हणजे तू मॅनेज करत जातो लार्ज सिस्टीमला पण मॅनेज करतो तो. बट परफॉर्मन्स रिडक्शन म्हणजे की लो परफॉर्मन्स देत जातो तो, व्हायला खूप लेंदी लागतो, व्हायला थोडं म्हणजे की कमी जास्त टाइम घेतो टू टाइम रिक्वायर. फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी, न्यू प्रोटोकॉल्स इंटिग्रेटेड म्हणजे न्यू ॲड करत जातो तो प्रोटोकॉल्स. आणि रिडंडंट फंक्शनॅलिटी हा डिसएडव्हान्टेज आहे आपला मेन. Layering brings structure and flexibility but can introduce performance overhead due to processing at each layer. Redundancy may also occur in some protocol stacks. Real world example of layering in action: HTTP, SMTP and HTTPS. First is Hypertext Transfer Protocol web browsing. It operates at the application layer of TCP. Second is Simple Mail Transfer असतं आपलं protocol email sending करतो. It's application layer. Third is HTTPS, secure version of HTTPS to presentation and application layer आहे. Last, the future of network architecture. AI and ML इंटिग्रेशन करू शकतो आपण. ऑटोमॅटिक नेटवर्क मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऑप्टिमायझेशन अक्रॉस लेअर करू शकतो. सर्व्हरलेस कम्प्युटिंग करू शकतो. ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्टिंग इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ब्लडिंग ट्रान्झिशनल लेअर बाउंड्रीज. एज कम्प्युटिंग करतो. डिस्ट्रीब्युटिंग प्रोसेसिंग क्लोजर टू डेटा सोर्स, चेंजिंग डेटा फ्लो, फास्टली तो चेंजिंग डेटा फ्लो करू शकतो. झिरो ट्रस्ट सिक्युरिटी हा आपल्याला डिसएडव्हान्टेज आहे. इव्हॅल्युएटिंग ट्रस्ट मॉडेल अक्रॉस ऑल नेटवर्क्स. थँक यू. माय टॉपिक इज स्टॉप.